Wow, this place is gonna be like Fort Knox. The video coverage of this camera is amazing. I can't wait to show you. Howdy partner, my name is Mr. Greg, and today we are going to walk you step by step through the easy installation of this Ring Spotlight camera. Now I'm just a normal guy, not a professional contractor, and I will show you that you too can complete this install with no special tools, skills, or experience. The mission of our channel is simple: empowering DIY, one project at a time. If you'd like to learn more cool tips, tricks, and hacks for around the house, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you'll keep receiving our value-packed content. Also, please drop us a note in the comment box if there are any projects that you would like to see featured on this channel. We love hearing from our YouTube community about what home solution you would like to see next. Now, let's roll right into this Ring Spotlight camera upgrade. This is our Ring Floodlight Cam. Now, we are not sponsored by Ring in any way, shape, or form. I typically don't do unboxings, but this one it's really nice. We already opened a couple of these. So on the back, you've got this easy peel sort of way to open it. It's really nice cardboard. And then once you open the top up, it has this handle. And you pick this handle out, and everything is, the packaging on this is, it's worthy of being showed off because it really is very nice, very satisfying, very nicely done. And it has everything in this little box here that you would need. So you have an instruction manual, which they actually printed it, which is nice. I mean, some of the ones are just digital now, and I like having the paper, it's easy. They have this cool tool that has both a Phillips head screwdriver as well as a flathead, and this opening we're going to use later to tighten it down because it also has a special opening for some caps. So that's pretty neat. It might be easier to have some bigger tools, but if you don't have any tools, you can do it with this little tool here. And then inside of here, they have all the hardware you might need. And what they do is they actually give you different size screws depending on your particular floodlight or spotlight up there. So a lot of these are extra, and they give you extra screws in case you lose them. So you're gonna have tons of screws left over. It's gonna fit, be universal, and all in all, just really a nice system. There's a QR code on the bottom here that you go ahead and scan, and that's how you're gonna set up to the app. We'll show you that as we get it up there, but just want to take a quick minute and give a shout out to Ring. Very nice job on this, really impressed. Step one is going to be safety first. Go inside and find the breaker on your circuit panel that will shut off these lights. Make sure you turn off that circuit breaker and also turn off the switch, and then test to make sure there's no power going there. So make sure you have no power going here whatsoever. Once you've done that, then you're going to take down your old lights. Now, you could use that little screwdriver they gave you if it works, or you might need a bigger one or a drill, but you're just going to go ahead and unscrew. There should be 1 or 2 screws. Take those down, undo the wire couplings, and then we'll go ahead and get the new one installed. Once you get the old one uninstalled, and again, make sure, test these wires, make sure they're not hot, then you're going to install this piece that comes with the kit, as well as some of the screws. So you can look at all your different screws and figure out if you think you need long ones or short ones and test fit them. We're going to use screw D on this one, but what you do is you put this here, and this is even labeled, it says front, which means that's going down. Now this could also be used if this was doing a wall mount. It's basically the same concept. And once you get it, you can go ahead and grab that little screwdriver they gave you and get it started up here in one hole there, as well as the other hole over here. We're going to grab the drill and make this just a little bit simpler in just a second, but we'll get started with this one and get it going. On the back of your package light, there's going to be another piece, another mounting bracket. Pop it right off. It's got pre-installed screws that we're going to use. Now, this piece has a little notch right here that you can see, and that notch is also in this. So what you need to do is you set this up here so that the screws are facing down with these wires through it, but you got to figure out where you want that notch based on where you want the notch to be here. So we want the camera to face this way, kind of like about that angle. So we want the notch right here to be over there. So what we're going to do is we're going to move these wires over and get this installed so that the notch faces where you want the camera to go. So we figure out how we want to orient it, and then we take one of the other screws, actually one of the labeled B screws, but it depends on your mount, and we're going to put that right in the middle there, into the middle hole, and then you can get that nice and snug up here. Keep your wires out of this opening so that you can get them wired up to the light. Once you get to this step, you want to take the light, and it's got this really nifty little hanger here, okay? Now before we take the hanger off, your wires are already pre-stripped, but they have a little bit of the coating on them. So just pull that off, and expose the wiring. So this you can get into where the wire nuts are included. Now you take this hanger, after you pulled those off, and you're just gonna slap it up onto here, and that lets you work pretty easily, no hands. Very nice. So now we can go ahead and do our wiring, and basically, as long as you have normal wiring, it's just gonna be your ground, which is the green, to your ground or your bare copper, your white to your white, and your black to your black. If you have anything complicated, I'd call it an electrician. If you're not comfortable doing this, you know, don't do it, but it's pretty simple. So let's get this wired up with those nuts, and then we'll get it mounted in. All right, we're all connected, and we also have the hanger going. So you wanna make sure, again, you orient that correctly. Take off any plastic stuff on there, and then you're going to tuck the wires neatly over here, and you're gonna gently feed it up so that these two screws that are fixed come out of the holes in the bottom. Now, it might take a little bit of play back and forth, but it shouldn't be too difficult once you get it lined up properly to have it feed right on through. So we're just gonna shimmy it just a little bit, and there we go. Now you're only gonna see a tiny little notch of the stud, and that is when you're going to attach one of these little caps that come with it. Now this is one of the trickier parts, and I'm not sure if you can see it right here, but you're gonna take this and feed it over that stud. They do give you an extra one, so they give you 3 per light, which is really nice because these are so tiny, you can easily drop them, and depending on where you're doing it, you may lose it. So just get it kind of started there, and then you're gonna start the other side. And once you get them both started, then you're gonna go back to that orange tool. And this time you definitely need that orange tool that they gave you. And I'll show you why. Because what they gave you with that tool is an opening that you can put straight up onto that nut and use it to tighten it down. So pretty neat. We'll finish that up and then we'll turn it on. Okay, so now we've got power to it, and you can see that that blue light is blinking.
Now connected to the Ring app.
All right, it's walking us through it.
Now installing an update. This may take several minutes.
Okay, so we are getting through that app. They're going to install an update. You always love those updates, so we won't bore you with waiting here for minutes on that. But let's go ahead and get it finished up and then walk you through how the app works. Really excited to see how this does. So once you download the app, you can see different views, like backyard, or in this case, driveway, which is the one we just installed. And if you hit that driveway, you can go live. It's giving you a notification that someone is in the driveway. And it's Mr. Greg showing how the app works. So Ring camera, really great, really cool. Very excited to use this in the future. Now, this was not a hard project. As I showed you, it was very easy to do, very straightforward, came with a great kit. So no doubt at all, you can take this on, you can accomplish it. Remember, all these projects, if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.